In a lush, vibrant garden, a curious caterpillar named Coco awoke with a dream to learn how caterpillars became butterflies. Coco set off on an adventure, inching along leaves and stems, eager for answers. First, Coco met Bella, a graceful butterfly. Bella explained the magic of metamorphosis. We start as eggs, hatch into caterpillars like you, form a chrysalis, and then emerge with wings, Bella said, fluttering gently. Coco marveled at the idea of becoming something so beautiful. Further along, Coco encountered Buzz, a busy bee gathering nectar. Buzz shared the secret of pollination. We bees spread pollen between flowers, helping them grow fruits and seeds. Plants need us as much as we need them. Buzz buzzed with pride, and Coco realized how interconnected all life in the garden was. Near a patch of bright flowers, Coco met Dot, a wise ladybug. Plants give us food, shelter, and air to breathe. Protecting them protects us all, Dot explained. As the sun set, Coco returned home, inspired by the wisdom of her new friends. She now understood the garden's harmony and eagerly awaited her own transformation. Coco's journey was just beginning, but she knew her next adventure would be in the skies.